Guys, welcome to my channel. This is my look that I have created. It's a recreation of what I did on Instagram. I'll link the pictures right here. It's just a pink, like glittery, glowy, soft, natural look. If you like this, if you want to see how I get this look, continue watching and be sure to subscribe. Just subscribe, click on the little bell icon to get notifications, thumbs up this video, leave a comment below, whatever you want to do, and just let me know how you like this look, or if you recreate it yourself. I would love to see how you did it, or if you like kind of jizz it up, let me know. But yeah, I really like it. It's really fun and summery. And if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, just continue watching. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna start by just priming my face with some Benefit POREfessional's primer. Just patting it in, rubbing it in, making sure that my pores are just taken care of pretty much. Now I'm just going to go in with a green concealer from the Sephora Pantone line, I believe, and just kind of help cancel out any of the redness that I have going on. And then later you'll see me take a salmon color and just kind of go under my eyes and like also on my eyes to kind of help with any purple and any just darker colors that I want to cancel out. Okay, so with my fingers and a cheap makeup sponge, I'm just gonna kind of blend it in, just a little bit, just to help get rid of anything that doesn't need to be there. And then with the Hourglass foundation stick, I'm just going to kind of just, well, rub it all over my face pretty much. And then with the IT Cosmetics number 7 brush, I'm just gonna blend it in. This is a foundation that doesn't really work well with a beauty blender, so definitely I recommend using a brush if you want to use this brush. I mean, if you want to use this foundation, definitely go for a brush. So now I'm gonna take the Kylie blush in the shade Barely Legal, and I'm just going to blend it in, kind of use it as a transition color, but not really, just to blend it all over the crease. And I'm going to use a Morphe M433 brush and just blend it all over there. And I went back and I took some tape and I just kind of taped it along my lash line to help create a natural looking wing look, because I'm not going to apply any wing liner after this. Okay, so with the Morphe 35N palette, I'm going to take a Morphe, just a small taper brush pretty much, and mix these 3 colors in and just add it to the crease under that light pink blush shade, just to kind of deepen in the crease. And then as well, also we're going to add this halo effect. It's okay if it kind of gets a little messy. We are going to, cut the crease, or not cut the crease, but cut the halo part out, or the center part out, with some concealer later on. Okay, so now we're just gonna use our concealer. Any concealer will work, or just a base, and just kind of cut out a center halo to kind of make the glitter pop on our eye. Okay, so with the Stila liquid eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, I'm just going to place it where we put that concealer at, and then I'm gonna go and put a neutral color, just a warm beige color, on my brow bone to kind of clean it up a little bit, and then also go in with those same pink shades and just kind of make those little lines less harsh. Okay, so now I'm just going to add the concealer. Before I just removed the tape and just kind of fixed up anything that I seen that was wrong with my eyeshadow. Just going to put the concealer around my eyes, on my chin, a little bit above my lip, and now I'm going to blend it out with just a regular makeup sponge. Okay, so now with the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, I'm just going to kind of press it into under my eyes where I placed that concealer at. I don't really like to bake just because I feel like it makes my skin really dry. And now I'm just really buffing in a powder into my skin. I feel like this method with a small dense brush kind of helps to give my foundation a airbrush look, so I definitely recommend this. Okay, so with the Hoola bronzer and an angled brush, I'm just going to be kind of bronzing and contouring along my cheekbones, my hairline, along my temples, my forehead, a little bit on my nose, and on my neck. So now I'm going to be applying the same blush that I've used on my eyes, just along my cheeks. And then I'm going to go in with that same blush color and go under my eyes just to kind of smoke it out on my lash line. And then I'm going to be adding the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And beforehand I did tight line my upper lash line with the Marc Jacobs eyeliner and blacker, I believe that's what it's called. I'll have all the description or all the products listed down in the description below. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply the Balm Mary Luminizer highlighter and some Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick and the shade. I don't remember the shade. I will link it down below, and then I'm gonna also mix that in with the KKWXKYLIE Cosmetics Kim liquid lipstick, and just spray some Fix Plus, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And here's some fun little Snapchats that I took the day that I did do this makeup beforehand. So I hope you enjoyed those.